On stage 3 files, how often should injectors be changed?
It's not really stage 3 file specific. There's nothing about the stage 3 file that's going to increase a wear rate of injectors. I think generally been going around 50K, I think, is kind of where we'll replace them, you know, kind of no questions asked here.
Yeah, I
just
think,
as like a preventative maintenance thing.
I'll say we don't have an official interval of changing or a rule of thumb. However, yeah, if given the cost of injectors and the cost of having a clogged or failed fuel injector and the cost of that, I would say if you did it every 50,000 miles, you're looking at, you know, $1,000, $1,200 for new injectors. Not a bad idea. You could also get 2 sets of injectors and send one set out to be cleaned and tested. Or if you can afford the downtime, just take your set out, ship them out to somebody to clean. Have we been using anyone for that? I know RC Engineering.
RC's done stuff. We had another company we were using for a while. They were good to begin with.
The key is finding someone who can test at the higher pressures.
At the higher pressures, and that's where it's been a little tricky, is finding someone that can truly test them up to operating pressure.
I think RC would...
We're talking like 300, or not 300 on these, but 200 bar or so.
I think RC was testing them at 4 bar, which is fine. It tells you something, but it doesn't tell you how the injector will perform at 100 or 200 bar. So, but I believe there's got to be companies out there now, especially with all the diesel stuff, that are doing that.